Welcome to aminacademy.com. In multivariable calculus, let us discuss about higher order partial derivatives of two variables. Here, suppose consider a function if if z equal f of x comma y, means z is a function of x and y. Now we can see f of x, which means partial derivative of x with respect to x, and second time also with respect to x, means it's a higher order derivative. That is, we can say it is fxx, which is equal dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. We can write this as dou square f over dou x square, which is further equal dou square z over dou x square, means second derivative of a function z with respect to x. Now, like f of x and y, means first partial derivative of function f with respect to x, then with respect to y, which in turns we can write as f of xy. Further you can write as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, which is further is expressed as dou square f over dou x dou y, which is further equal dou square z over dou x dou y. Now next, f of y means first derivative with respect to y and with respect to x, which is equal f of yx. In turn you can write dou by dou y of dou f by dou x, which in turn you can write dou square f over dou y and dou x, which in turn you can write dou square z over dou y dou x. And similarly you can write f of y with y itself equal f of yy. This is further in turn you can write dou by dou y of dou f of dou y, which in turn you can write dou square f of dou y square, which is further equal dou square z over dou y square. Here note this point here, f of xy, which in turn you can write dou square y by dou x dou y, means first differentiate of f, first differentiate f with respect to y, which means the outer letter y. Then second differentiation, then differentiation with respect to x. Yes, like that, means if you are doing dou square y by dou y dou x, means first you have to derivative with x, then derivative with y opposite. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.